Hey loves, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. It's your girl once again, Mabel. If this is your first time coming across my video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get posted whenever I upload a new video, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Mabel in Hamburg. So guys, on today's video, we will be doing a Van Cleef unboxing, and yeah, actually this is a pre-birthday gift, but I can't wait because my birthday is in November, so I can't just keep it and wait till November. So that's why I'm so like impatient. So that's why I think let me just unbox it with you and start enjoying my new jewelry. And yeah, so let's dive into the video. So guys, it came with a box, and yeah, a huge box, and yeah, opening the box, and I will be showing you guys the video when it came. And yeah, so this was inside, and it came with a pouch. So you can always use these like when you're traveling, you take this along with you. That's how it looks, you know, this iconic green suede. No, I think it's not suede, it's leather. So these are the ones. Go with the VCA signature on it. With the booklet. That's okay. Yeah, this is the booklet and the authenticity maybe booklet and the authenticity, the certificate. And here, so this is the booklet. Is written in every language, you know all the language, so you can read on how to take care of them. And this is the authenticity card. Oh my god, this is how it looks. And the back, my details are on the back and the numbers, so I'm gonna cover that and just, oh, I hope I can, okay, it's much better. Yeah, so I cover my details, and down is the VCA signature and the stamp. Yeah, so you always have to keep this very well. And it also came with a cleaning cloth. And most of the time, VCA, they don't have enough cleaning cloth, but I was so lucky that, yeah, this is the cleaning cloth. Here we go. Whoa. Let's unbox this together. So, it's well wrapped. Okay. Box in box. So I've never seen it. Actually, this is my first can I say pair? This is my first jewelry from this VCA. I never owned anything from VCA, so okay, another box again, the iconic green. Whoa, this is my mother of pearl, the vintage Hamburg. Oh my god, this is actually my first time seeing it. This is beautiful. Can you see that? This is yeah. Oh my goodness. With a 5 mother of pearl, the vintage Hamburg. It's called the vintage Hamburg. Okay, let's get started. Oh my god. Yeah, so when you have this, you really need to check very well. Oh my god, what's this? You really need to check very well, because sometimes the mother of pearls or the stones do change the colors, and yeah, it might happen that all the 5 are not the same pearl or the same color, you know. So you really need to hold it this way and just place it and really check. It's you know, falling down, yeah, because it's automatically normally comes in the 18 centimeter, and yeah, if you want it to not to fall down, so this is a trick. So you definitely just need to like turn, you know, they are all straight, you know, you just need to turn some, you know, turn it. You know, is that a trick? Or you just remove some, the bezel, I don't know, just remove some, and then yeah, so when you turn it, then it's not okay. Let me try and wear them if I can. Okay, This is it. Yeah, so you can still see. I think I still need to turn them once, but it's much more better than it was before. So pair on pair. You see, wearing this with my Cartier, and this is so amazing, so beautiful. About this amazing, gorgeous pre-birthday gift. Wow, I'm really happy. Guys, I really love the mother of pearl. I was thinking for a very long time, like getting them, and yeah, and lately I'm like, oh my god, I really need to get them before the price increase and everything. And yes, and I'm really loving them, but one thing is that you can go shower with this. You can go swimming with it because it's a mother of pearl, you know, stones, you really need to protect them, and with water, I think they really have problem with water. Not they are going to change, or maybe they might lose or something, you don't really know. So it's not advisable to bath with it or to go swim with this. And yeah, so I'm loving them. So welcome home, VCA, welcome to my jewelry collection. And so guys, what do you guys think? And do you guys have one of these? What's your experience and wearing it together with the Cartier? Do you have problem with it and with the scratching and everything, or wearing it with a wristwatch? So I don't really know, because I am a wristwatch wearer, so I don't know. So I want to know your opinion. Just leave it on the comment section. And yeah, so loves, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you like my video, don't forget to do so. Hit the notification bell so you get posted whenever I upload a new video, and also follow me on Instagram, Mabel in Hamburg. You all have a pleasant day, and yeah, stay safe. Bye, love you all. See you on my next video.